a living trust is really, in my opinion, the only document out there that enables you to leave the assets to whom you want, when you want, at the least possible cost. The cost factor, if you don't use a trust and you don't use one of the other methods that we may use for probate avoidance, you're going to have to go through probate. You may have a guardianship proceeding, and there's no certainty that the right person is going to get the assets that you want at the age-appropriate time. A living trust is not for everybody. Okay, let me stress that. There are other options that you have, which when we meet with you, we'll be able to explain them to you. If your net worth is very, very modest, we may do something different for you. But if you're leaving assets to a beneficiary and those assets have a value of more than, say, $250,000, we're going to look at doing a trust for you. If you have a beneficiary who is young, or is receiving government benefits, or has a creditor problem, we're going to look at doing a living trust for you. Can I avoid probate by using joint bank accounts or payable on death accounts? Yes, obviously. But if you avoid probate, there's no protection down the road for that beneficiary. And again, the whole idea of estate planning is to look at it from a holistic standpoint. We're not only concerned about you and in the fact of trying to leave the assets to whom you want to leave them to. We're looking at the recipient. We want to make sure that those assets are protected for the recipient so that they are preserved and they end up being utilized the way you'd want them to be utilized.